So this is the case study that we are going to solve, and I will be solving this for you people. So try and understand how questions come in the exam based on this chapter. The questions that you have done till now, they'll never come in the exam. ऐसा क्वेश्चंस, कुछ ट्विस्टेड टर्न, कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं एग्जाम में. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर these क्वेश्चंस टेलिंग अस here. If you people have any doubt, you can tell me that. Okay. So here the thing here written is, a car moves on a highway, the path it traces is given below. So this is the path that it has traveled. Okay, it is traced on a graph. Based on the above information, answer the following question. First is, what is the shape of the graph EFG? So where is EFG? This is E, this is F, this is G. So EFG is what? It is a parabola. Understood everyone? So simple. Next one. If the curve ABC, I'll give you people good enough time to read, but when I am explaining, you please focus here. While I'm switching to the next question or reading, that is okay. But try concentrating here only. Okay. If the curve ABC is represented by a polynomial this. So where is ABC? This is ABC. And for this ABC, they are saying that this can be represented by this polynomial. Then its zeros are, what are its zero? Would you find that by middle term splitting?
No, ma'am. -1 and -3 are at zero.
Right. So after reading it from the graph only, you can answer -3 and -1. Although when you solve it, you will get the same thing. कैसा? माइनस इसको स्प्लिट करोगे तो 3 into 1 में चेंज हो जाएगा, और +3 और +1 दो जीरोस बनेंगे इसके, है ना? तो वो +3 और +1 जो आएगा, +3 and +1, वो जीरोस नेगेटिव साइन के साथ है. तो दैट विल बी -3 and -1 देन. क्लियर और नॉट? तो लेकिन you need not solve that when you have the graph in front of you. Purvi, are you concentrating here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing.
So if you have the graph in front of you, the point at which the parabola is intersecting x-axis, that is the zero itself. So the answer is -3 and -1. Is that clear everyone or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. So we are now discussing the third part. If the path traced by the car has zeros -1 and 2, then it is given by, see, -1 and 2. So this is -1 and 2. That means they're asking you the polynomial for this curve, this parabola, right? So how will you do this? This is 1 0, this is another 0. You know, x square minus
Some
x plus product. Right or not? So x square minus sum would be -1 plus 2 will be +1. So 1x plus product is -1 into 2 -2. Right or not? So x square minus x minus 2 is the answer. Right or not? Where is that option given? C part. Clear everyone or not?
मेरे को समझ नहीं आया मैम. Why did you take 1 as the sum and 2 as the product?
No, I didn't take. I solved beta. -1 and 2 tha na. So I solved that, added that to get sum.
Oh.
And these two I multiplied to get the product. But it's just that I did it orally. Okay. Clear or not everyone? Anyone, any doubt here? Okay. Next question. The number of zeros of the polynomial representing the whole curve. This complete curve. So how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. Clear or not? Next करें. किसी को कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे? Yes बच्चे.
मैम वो थर्ड वाले क्वेश्चन के लिए wouldn't it be the D part because it's -1 and वो add नहीं हो जाएगा minus so it will be x square.
एक मिनट साची इधर देखो बेटा. -1 +2 ये दोनों ऐड करने थे ना, दोनों जीरोस, -1 और +2. तो ऐड करके क्या आएगा? +1 आएगा ना. लेकिन बाहर तो फॉर्मूला में माइनस था, तो वो -1x हो जाएगा. एंड देन प्रोडक्ट इज -2, पर बाहर प्लस है, तो प्लस माइनस माइनस -2 बेटा. अंडरस्टूड बच्चा? ओके. Fourth part clear or not, everyone? There are 4 zeros of the complete curve. Any doubt, anyone till here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. The distance between C and G is, so this is C here and this is G. What is the distance? Ye to such a silly thing. How do you find distance between two things? Number line ki tarah dekho na.
4
So
units.
always
units.
on the right is a bigger thing. Always on the right is a bigger thing. So from the bigger thing or bigger quantity, you subtract the lower ones to find the difference. So 5 plus 1 or 6. अभी इसको logically भी ऐसा समझ सकते थे कि -1 to 0 is 1 and this is 5. So 1 and 5 together is 6. So
That's
distance is
avoided.
6. Yes, Janisha बच्चे?
मैम वो करने से चलेगा ना?
दोनों से चलेगा. अभी you people want writing time?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 5 minus -1 कैसे हुआ?
बच्चा अगर आपको मैं दो चीजों के बीच में डिफरेंस फाइंड करने को कह रही हूँ तो फाइनल पोजीशन माइनस इनिशियल पोजीशन ही तो करते हो, तभी तो डिस्टेंस आएगा, उन दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस आएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
अब
got it.
यहाँ पर वो जो इनिशियल चीज थी वो -1 थी और ये पॉजिटिव था 5, तो अभी सब्ट्रैक्ट ही तो होंगे दोनों. ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन और नॉट?
Ma'am, what if there was
कैन यू पीपल हेयर मी? कैन यू पीपल हेयर मी बच्चे?
Video is frozen.
Yes, ma'am.
Is my internet stable now? I switched to 5G.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
could see my writing lagging a little, so I switched to 5G. Is this okay now? Okay. So this question, anyone needs writing time for it? Is everyone done with this?
Yes, ma'am. मैम
Okay.
मेरे सबके लैग हो गए.
कोई बात नहीं, चलें अभी आगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट करें. Okay. So this question, Annie was standing on a diving board. So this is the diving board, है ना? This is 48 meter above the water level. So if water level is this 0, so this is 48 meters. Okay. She took a dive into the pool. So if you can see the graph she followed like this. Her height in feet above the water level at any time t in seconds is given by polynomial h at t. So उन्होंने क्या किया? This like for time t, like what is the height उसके लिए, this is the polynomial that is given to you. Okay. Now they are asking what is the value of k. What is this new thing k here? So what I know in this question is beta that the height is 48. जिसका वो ग्राफ है height of t है ना. So height I know is 48. लेकिन यहाँ पर इनिशियली कभी होगी वो बोर्ड पे? इनिशियल 0 सेकेंड्स पे होगी ना. 0 सेकेंड्स के बाद तो उसने लीप लिया होगा डाइव करने के लिए, राइट और नॉट, है ना? सो एट टाइम t means 0. So what you will do here, you have put that height at t is 48 and you are putting t as 0 seconds. -16 0 square
मैम
plus
48 आएगा मैम इसका आंसर.
8 into 0 plus k. Now solve this equation, you will get the answer. मैं बेटा तेरी तरह अंतर्यामी नहीं हूँ, I don't know. Solve कर लो सब लोग जल्दी से. So 48 equals to -16 plus 8. अच्छा, this all is 0. Everything gone. So this is nothing here then. Equals to k. So answer is 48. Very good, Arnav. पहले किया है ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व?
Ma'am, why did you put 0 seconds?
क्योंकि you know time 0 पे height was 48. Both the things you know. To find k, see, there are 3 variables in the equation that you can see. T, H and k. So if you want to find k, the two you should know, no? For that, height at 0 second was given to you. So at t you have put 0 and at height you have put 48.
Okay.
Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear everyone or not? Okay. At what time will she touch the water in the pool? So what time would she touch the water? Water level क्या है? Water level को you call 0 meters, है ना? Sea level को we call 0, no? उससे जितना ऊपर we go with the altitude, that is plus, and under the water, that is minus. So water level, sea level is known as 0. So this is 0 meters. And then they are saying at what time will she touch the water level? तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे? Height को will make 0. Minus 16 t square plus 8t plus k. Plus k is what? Plus, what is the value of k?
48.
Right or not, बच्चे? Would you be able to find the zeros here now? Middle term splitting से? है ना? जल्दी से pause recording, quickly solve it everyone. जल्दी. So by solving this quadratic equation, you have got two values of t. 2 and minus 3/2. Time can never be negative, इसलिए t is equals to 2 is the answer. At 2 seconds, that girl would touch the water level. That means the moment she started elevating up to take a dive into the pool, after 2 seconds, she has touched the water level. Understood everyone or not? Clear? Is there anyone who didn't get this answer as to? Gauri?
Please once solve it. Can you please solve it once?
Okay. So this complete equation 8, 16 and 48, they're all what? They're all multiples of 8. They're all multiples of 8. Let's divide the complete equation by 8 to make it simpler. Divide by 8. So what is this now? Minus 2t square plus t. 8 say 8 gone is t only. And 48, 6 are plus 6. Right or not? Now you will take the product of 6 and 2, that is 2 into 2 into 3. I've broken down 6 into 2 into 3 and this is this 2. Now you have to make two groups out of this so that you get positive 1. So 4 and 3. Right? So 4t and 3t. Right or not? So how will I write it here? Minus 2t square plus 4t. अच्छा ये negative sign भी तो है ना यहाँ पे. This is this negative sign also. So if this negative is there, this is plus 4t and then minus 3t. Right or not? Clear or not everyone? And then plus 6. Because this is not 6 actually, this is negative 6, no? Clear, no? So 1 plus 1 minus. Now from first 2, I'll take common 2. That will be minus with t. Minus t plus 2. Minus t plus 2, we've got from the first bracket. I'll repeat the bracket as such, minus t plus 2. And now I'll have plus 3 outside. Plus 3 together with minus t is minus 3t and plus 3 with plus 2 is 6. So we are going correct. Now minus t plus 2 in one bracket, minus t plus 2 in one bracket and 2t plus 3 in the other bracket. If both are equals to 0, that means either of these are 0. So minus t plus 2 equals to 0. If you solve that, that is t is equals to, this minus t is minus 2 and then t is 2. Right? Or otherwise, if 2t plus 3 is 0, then it will be t is equals to minus 3/2. Time can never be in negative, so we need to ignore this value and t is equals to 2 is the answer. Understood everyone or not? Gauri, abhi is this clear बच्चा? वो 16, 8 और 48 के साथ ना complicated था. So best is whatever is common there, you take that out. And because you have taken that out, like 8 you have taken as common. When you transpose and take it to 0, then that is also 0, no? Understood or not how to write that? Like this was the concept. What I am doing here is, you have taken this as common. Positive 8 I took common, लेकिन आप minus 8 भी common ले सकते थे. So that is 2t square, negative 2t square, then plus t, then plus 6. And this is equals to 0. This 8 went there. So rest is equals to 0 again. So this is the equation that you are solving. Understood everyone or not? Clear? Purvi, is there any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. I was asking कि मैम वो जो 8 है वो कहाँ जाएगा फिर?
बच्चा वो 0/8 तो 8 0 ही हो गया ना बच्चे, 8 तो गायब ही हो गया ना देन.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Clear? Clear everyone or not? Janisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving ahead with the next question now. They are saying Rita's height in feet above the water level is given by another polynomial p of t with zeros -1 and 2. So find the polynomial. Both the zeros are given to you. Is finding a polynomial tough? X square minus some x plus product. So with this, you people find this by yourself. I am not discussing this. Clear, no? कर लोगे ना, both the zeros are given, first add them, then you multiply them and then put it in the equation. Okay. अच्छा, लेकिन you tell me the answer. Sometimes what may happen, they will try to confuse you with the options. So you first of all find me the answers and then I'll tell you which is the correct one. Jaldi se everyone. So let's do this. Okay. Now two zeros are given to you, -1 and +2. So this will be x square minus sum of x. So -1 + 2 is +1. Right, bache? And product of -1 and +2 is -2. So -2. Actually तो plus -2 आएगा, पर वो open करके यही हो जाएगा. So this is the equation. अभी मैं ये clear करके आपको दिखाती हूँ कि is it given anywhere. अच्छा, मुझे t लेना था यहाँ पे, तो I need to take t. So let me put t's here instead of this t and t. Now look, bache, t square minus t minus 2 is not this option, is not this option.
Ma'am, D.
Listen. What if out of these two, I multiply the complete equation by 24? So that will be 24t square minus 24t minus 48. Right or not? अभी इसमें से भी कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है? नहीं है ना? तो let's reverse the sign. What is positive, make it negative. अब मैं -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ पूरी इक्वेशन को. So minus 24t square plus 24t plus 48. Is that there? Yes, it is. This is how they'll play with you in the exam.
But why did you multiply it by 24?
Because first two were not the answers. बेटा पता है क्या होता है, ये जो इक्वेशन होता है ना, इसके बाहर कोई भी एक नंबर है, के भी होता है, वो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. यू मल्टीप्लाई द कंप्लीट थिंग विद एनीथिंग.
मैम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं मैम.
कुछ भी
100.
कर सकता है, बस आपको ऑप्शंस के अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू थिंक. 100 भी कर सकते हैं मल्टीप्लाई, कुछ भी कर सकता है. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट एवरीवन? सबको समझ में आया? इज देयर एनीवन
Ma'am.
जिसको नहीं आया?
Ma'am, I did it in a different way.
हाउ?
Ma'am, I got to know कि C and D से ही कुछ होने वाला है because the
योर
first
वॉइस
two
इज
were
वेरी
given.
लो जनीशा. नाउ टेल मी.
Ma'am, like I got to know the first two options wouldn't work. Ma'am, तो D में I it seemed familiar because I took -1 as common, and after taking that 24t would become minus 24t square.
हाँ, so like anyways you can think of it now, बच्चा. But you will have to, like, whatever answer you are getting, you will have to work on that to get closer to the option. Okay? It's
Yes,
never
ma'am.
like कि ये जो ready-made thing है यही आपको आंसर में पड़ी हुई मिलेगी. You have to process your food also, no, sometimes before eating. So process it. Okay? Okay. Now going with the next question. A polynomial qt with sum of zeros. Keep this in mind, everyone. This is not the zero. This is the sum of zeros now. So alpha plus beta is given to you 1. And the product is -6. So this time they have processed it for you even. So just eat it. So that is -6. Now this is like Anu's height for modeling above the water level at any time t in the second. So then qt will be what? So you know x square minus alpha plus beta x. Sum of zeros matlab alpha plus beta x, right or not? And plus alpha into beta. Product means alpha into beta, right or not, everyone? Clear or not? Sum of zeros is alpha plus beta, no? And product is alpha into beta. Purvi, is this not clear?
Ma'am, clear. I know the answer also.
Is there anyone जिसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इधर? Clear? Tanish, Arnav, Mishti, all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. तो बस फिर अब तो बन जाएगी इक्वेशन x square minus 1x plus minus 6. So why
Minus 6.
write plus minus 6? Clear? हो गया. अब तो ये given ही नहीं है. Given है क्या कोई? First option भी नहीं है. Second भी नहीं है. Now see for the signs. इस 2 में ये एक negative है, दोनों positive है. This is also not the correct. C is the correct one.
Yes,
क्योंकि
ma'am.
with us, if you multiply this complete thing with minus 8, then you will be getting this minus 8x square plus, actually यहाँ पे t variables use करना बच्चे, not x. They are telling you to make polynomial at t, no? So now this will be minus, अच्छा plus हो गया वो plus 8x and then this will be plus 48. So this is the answer. Clear or not, everyone? Did you people do any question of this sort in your NCERT?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. We did this in worksheet, but not NCERT.
Okay, moving ahead. The zeros of the polynomial this are negative of each other. Okay, everyone take a note. Whenever in a question they have given you that zeros are my handwriting is lagging beta. Like whatever I am writing, it is slowly coming on screen. That too वो curves नहीं आ रहे हैं. A में R में ना curves नहीं आ रहे हैं. So zeros are negative of each other. You will always deal with sum of zeros. Why? Abhi in some time I'll explain. But whenever they tell you that zeros are reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of each other,
Ma'am,
then you
then have to
always
use
product
some.
of zeros.
Yes, ma'am. Product of. Ma'am,
Why
because
is this so?
ma'am, they
I'll
will
tell you.
cancel.
Yes. In the first case also they'll get cancelled. In the second case also they'll get cancelled. कैसे? देखिए यहाँ पे सम ऑफ जीरोस आपको मालूम है अल्फा और बीटा होते हैं. व्हेन दे आर नेगेटिव ऑफ ईच अदर, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि बीटा इज एक्चुअली नेगेटिव अल्फा ओनली, राइट? सो अल्फा प्लस नेगेटिव अल्फा सम ऑफ जीरोस हो गया ना. देखो, दिस इज अल्फा एंड दिस इज बीटा. बीटा इज नेगेटिव अल्फा ओनली. इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा? ये तो कैंसिल हो गया, तो ये जीरो. अभी आपको पता है सम ऑफ जीरो इज माइनस बी बाई ए. So 0 is equals to minus b by a. So you will be able to find out what is b and a. Clear or not? Now ऐसे ही reciprocals are zeros are reciprocal of each other. तो क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? Alpha into beta होता है, लेकिन beta this time is 1 by alpha. Purvi, eyes on screen. So beta is 1 by alpha. Right or not? Beta is reciprocal of alpha, no? तो 1 by alpha हो गया ना? So alpha into beta लिखने की जगह I'll write 1 by alpha. So इसको कट करके you have got 1. Understood or not? So अभी इसका जो condition होता है that is C by A. तो वहां से आपका equation बन सकता है. Clear or not? अभी इस question को कैसे करना है I'll help, but take a note of these two things quickly. So now we are discussing part 5. The zeros of the polynomial this are negative of each other. That means what I have told you to put, 0 is equals to minus b by a. Right or not, everyone? This is the condition you people know, and write that condition before this. Don't just directly put this. Okay, so write there that sum of zeros will be equal to 0 then. So 0 is equals to minus b by a is the condition now. So 0 is equals to minus b. What's b here? K minus 3. So that is minus k minus 3 बच्चे. By what's a? A is negative 12. Now cut the negatives. K minus 3 equals to 0. y equals to 0 क्योंकि 12 will get multiplied with 0 then, and k is positive 3. Clear or not? So where's the answer? A part.
Ma'am, where did the 12 go?
Multiplied
No,
with
ma'am,
0.
हाँ, 0 से multiply. Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear, everyone? Do it quickly. फटाफट से do it. Now we are having this next question on screen with us. Jaldi jaldi se do it so that we can discuss this too. This is an easy one. Very easy one. Without even reading the question, we can, like, introduction, we can do it. The shape of the path traced is, what is the shape of the path? Parabola again.
Parabola.
Next, the graph of parabola open upwards is a greater than 0. Okay. Up means positive thing, no? Going up in life is positive, no? Hai na? Okay. Next one. In the above graph, how many zeros are there for the polynomial 3? Right? The 3 zeros in the above graph are -3, -1, and positive 2. Clear everyone or not? This was very basic. Hai na? So we are done for the day. As in, my explanation is done for the day, but I'm giving you one question. You will solve this by yourself. Okay.